is a
intelligence to field cameras detecting.
So this is our AI system which is working with the drone. So we have in-house drones which work with the AI. This is a trained model. It checks for the abnormalities or anything which is odd in the scenario. So this is like a model of public surveillance and monitoring. So we have a model for train line analysis. It also looks for misalignments and objects which are not in the good scenario. So in terms of emergency response and rescue, we have this model trained, and so this gives a head start to the teams. It gives optimization to the clients. You can switch it off. So we build bespoke AI agnostic drone systems for businesses. So right now we have one platform which ingests video from the scene, and video gets processed on the AI front which we have. So AI pipeline is spectral scanning. So these are somewhat things which are very much centric to the client. So we are dealing with we have built beyond visual line of sight system (BV laws).